Introduction to Oracle Database Part 4. Myself Shaji Balakrishnan. We are going to learn SQL Plus. To start SQL Plus, we have to write SQL Plus at the DOS prompt. Now, what is the use of SQL Plus? Who uses SQL Plus? Now, SQL Plus is a command editor for RDBMS so that it can process our data fast and accurate. Let's see how. After writing SQL Plus, press enter so that now it asks for the username. Now here it is asking the same username that you have created at the time of Oracle installation. By default, Oracle has two users, that is system and sys. You might be already given the password also at the same time. So we have to give the same username and the password here. So the username I'll be using system and the password I'll be entering Shaji because this is the password I entered during the installation. You must enter the password you entered at the time of installation. So now you're connected to Oracle Database 18C, as you can see here. So now SQL Plus command editor is ready to accept your commands or ready to send commands to RDBMS so that it can process our data. The commands can be SQL Plus editor commands or it can be SQL commands, that is structured query language commands. Now you are connected to Oracle Database. Now let's see how to disconnect from Oracle Database. The command is disconnect. And press enter. You can see now you are disconnected from Oracle Database 18C. There will be various reasons to disconnect from Oracle Database that we'll be learning in the later sessions. One of the example for disconnecting is changing the username. You want to connect to some other user, but we have not created any other users now. For the learning purpose, we'll be using the same user as system. So let's connect it back. Connect and press enter. Username system, password Shaji, and press enter. So you are connected back. Okay, you connected again to Oracle Database. Now how to come out of SQL Plus? You want to disconnect from Oracle Database and you have to come out. How? You have to give quit. So when you give quit command, it will disconnect from the Oracle Database and you are out of the SQL Plus editor also. As you can see the command prompt here, DOS prompt. Let's start SQL Plus again. How to start? So I'll write SQL Plus, but this time I'm going to give a different way so that it will not prompt you for username and password. I'm going to give the username at the username and the password at the command prompt itself. So SQL Plus space system slash password, I said Shaji. So I given the username and password so that it is not going to prompt for username and password. This is another way or fastest way to start SQL and connect to Oracle. So it started SQL Plus and is also connected to Oracle database, and you are at the SQL prompt. So you learned how to start SQL Plus. You also understood how to connect to Oracle database, disconnect database, and come out of SQL Plus by using quit command. This is the end of this section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session.